Welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you will find out how you can auto-caption YouTube shorts using CapCut. In order to produce auto-captions for your shorts on YouTube, this is what you'll need to do. First of all, go onto your PC and open the CapCut app. Click on Create New Project, or you can open any of your projects. Once you're on your project, you would see the plus option on the Import tab. You can drag or drop the video that you want to use for this, or you can just click on the Import option and just browse the video. Once you have your video exported, make sure to bring it onto the timeline of your project. Now, select the video and go on to the text option from the top menu. Now from the left bar options, click on Auto Captions. Here you can select the spoken language, in my case it's English, and then click on Generate. Now it will take a few seconds, probably a couple of minutes, before creating caption for your video. Once it's done, you would see the captions have now been created for your video. You can look over to the right side and see the text option. You can click on Captions from the options and you would be able to see all of the captions. You can edit them from here too. In the animation option, you can click and choose the animation that you want to be on your captions. Also, you can go over to the text option and click on templates in order to choose one of the already made templates from CapCut on your captions. Keep it in mind, some of these features would only be available in the Pro version of CapCut. And that's how you can easily create auto captions for your YouTube shorts using CapCut. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more.